Once upon a time, in a land filled with wonder and imagination, there lived a peculiar little cat named Ultrakatty. Ultrakatty was not like the other cats. He had a sparkle in his eyes, and a tail that glowed with a soft, warm light. One night, Ultrakatty noticed that his glow was dimmer than usual. He felt a strange feeling deep within him, a feeling he had never felt before. He decided to go on a journey to find the reason for his dimming glow. As Ultrakatty ventured into the night, he met many friends along the way. There was a wise old owl, a friendly squirrel, and even a shy rabbit. They all wanted to help Ultrakatty find the source of his troubles. The group traveled through dense forests, across sparkling streams, and over towering mountains. They encountered challenges, but Ultrakatty's new friends helped him overcome them with their unique abilities. Finally, they arrived at a beautiful meadow, where a large, shining star had fallen from the sky. Ultrakatty knew in his heart that this was the reason for his dimming glow. He approached the star cautiously, feeling a sense of awe and wonder. The star spoke to Ultrakatty, explaining that it had lost its shine and needed help. Ultrakatty agreed to help, and with a touch of his glowing tail, he restored the star's shine. In return, the star gave Ultrakatty a special gift, a star of his own to keep shining bright. Ultrakatty and his new friends returned to their homes, each filled with a sense of accomplishment and joy. From that day forward, Ultrakatty's glow shone brighter than ever, and the star in the sky shone even brighter too. And so, the story of Ultrakatty spread throughout the land, reminding everyone that even the smallest of us can make a big difference. And as the moon and stars watched over, they whispered to each other, "Never underestimate the power of a little cat with a glowing tail." Good night, dear friends. May your dreams be filled with the warmth of Ultrakatty's glow and the courage to shine bright in your own unique way.